Hi dear students, this is our first video recording. First of all, I would like to thank you people to register this course IST 3001 CS 401 special topic. And the special topic, why this special topic is chosen for this summer semester, I would like to inform you all. Actually, only special people will select this special topic. Like you people, all special people. That's why you people are chosen these special topics. Okay, right. Actually, this special topic is in the sense we can take any topic in this under this topic, special topic. But particularly, I preferred introduction to Python programming. Why this Python programming? Nowadays, most of the technologies are working under the help of Python. For an example, you people are might be heard about Internet of Things. Internet of Things in the sense you can operate any kind of items through your mobile phone or through your computer. Suppose if a device is connected with the internet and you can access that device through your mobile phone. For an example, in your home, your door is connected with the internet. Let us assume your house door is connected with the internet, and now you want to open the door, you want to close the door. How it is possible? Suppose you are in your office, your friend came to your house, your friend want to go to inside your house, he is calling to you, I came to your house, can you open your door, I want to go inside. But you are in the office or you are in somewhere shopping. Now you can open your mobile phone, you can just press open the door and automatically door will be open in your home. See, this is not the magic, and this but this is the technology. This technology we can implement through our Python program, and this concept is called Internet of Things. Okay, so that how these concepts are working with the help of Internet of Things. Okay, and this Internet of Things, who is taking care of these operations and what kind of program language those people are using for this work? Python program. Okay, this is the main aim. That is actually in the summer semester I preferred for this Python program. When the people are go out of from this Mazun college after graduation, you should go with some latest technology. You should not go with the empty hands, and you should not go with your old concepts. You should go with your empty. You should go with your latest technology and you should go with the confidence from the Mazun College. That is our main aim. Okay. So I will go back to our class. In this class, in this first video, I am going to explain about how to install Python program to our computer. Computer in the sense your desktop or your laptop. Next video, I am going to explain about how to install Python program into our mobile phones. Okay, this for installing Python itself. I am going to tell two videos. Okay, first video I am going to explain about how to install the Python program into our computer, our desktop or laptop. Okay, now I will show how to install the computer. Just see the video, follow the steps, and you can install the your software into our computer. Okay, now what I am going to show for that, we need to go to our browser, any browser, either Mozilla or Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, any browser you must open it. Okay, now I will show how to open it. We will see. See, now just I am going to the browser. See, open the browser, just enter the google.com. Okay, Once you enter the Google, then Google it will come. Just type Python download. Okay, Python download is coming. So once Python is downloaded, you see python.org is coming. Okay, the python.org. Just click this Python download, and immediately it will redirect to the download page. See, now the latest version of Python is Python 3.8.3. And another thing, this Python is a free software. You don't want to pay any money. You don't want to go and ask anybody to download and install the software. This is a completely free. It is available in the internet. You can download it. Okay, download Python 3.3. Now see here the down. Now the Python is download is going on. Now Python is downloaded. Just double click this one, or where it is available. Usually it will be available in the download. Okay, now immediately it will come this. Otherwise you can go to there where the download. Now see here, it is a Python is available. Okay, so just again you need double click, in immediately this screen will appear. Just very easy, just install now. Okay, now press yes. Now installing. So be patient, and depends on your computer speed, depends on your internet speed, and it will take some time. So your internet is very good speed, or your computer is very good, and within a fraction of less than 1 minute 2 minute, your software installation will be done. Okay, your Python software you can install it. Okay, just be patient. Now it is going, installation is going. Now see here, install it. This is the 32-bit of thing. My computer is 32-bit, so it is installing 32. Sometime now its current version is they given in the 32-bit operating system. Okay, now it's going install. Is now it's almost about to completion stage. Setup progress. Okay, maybe my computer is little bit slow. That's why it is taking time. So it's very easy. You don't want to take any risk. See, Alhamdulillah, now install. Now setup was, see here, setup was successful. Now successfully installed. Just to close this window. Okay, now Python is installed. How to get, just again minimize it. Then how to know then the Python install or not? Where you need to go to check. Just go to here the start, and just scroll down. Okay, just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and see the Python is Python 3.8 is installed. Or you can in this here in the search box you can type it, see Python. See Python is showing here. Okay, so this is a way. So now the Python is installed. So just to go to the Python, just again I'm just checking. See, go here, and there is some here some. So always we are going to use this IDE, right? From this IDE only we are going to do our practice. Once clicks the IDE, and immediately it will open this screen. Okay, so this screen will open. Just maximize it, and here see greater than. This is the small IDE. Here only the we are going to type our program. So, but instead of directly typing here, there is a one more method is there, file, new file, and here we can type the continuous. We can type, save the program. We can run the. Now this one I will explain in the next class how to type the first program of the Python, how to run the Python program. These are all I will explain to you later. Okay, in the next session I will explain to you. And this session just I would like to give how to install the Python program now. So this is the way we can install our Python program into our computer. Okay, now just I will close this session. So inshallah in the next class I will see how many people are installed, and let us see. Anyway, I'm going to create a small activity in the Moodle. Okay, you need to check install the Python or not. Okay, that's I would like to confirm from your side. This is the first activity of our class. Okay, installation Python program in the computer. The next video I am going to upload how to install the Python program in the our mobile phone. Okay. So just thank you.